Welcome to our guide on setting up a proxy on Windows. In this video, we'll dive into what proxy servers are and how they can enhance your online experience. There are several types of proxies, including HTTP, HTTPS, and SOCKS. Each serves a different purpose depending on your needs. Let's start by opening the Windows settings. You can do this by clicking on the Start menu and selecting Settings. Now, locate the Network Settings option. Here, you will find the proxy configuration settings specific to Windows 10 and 11. For manual setup, enter your proxy's IP address and port number. Ensure these details are correct to avoid connection issues. Alternatively, you can use an automatic configuration script. Simply paste the URL of your script to streamline the setup. After setting up, it's essential to test your proxy connection. You can easily accomplish this using several online tools. If you encounter issues, refer to our troubleshooting checklist to resolve common proxy problems effectively. Remember to follow best practices when using proxies, such as maintaining privacy and monitoring your online activity. In conclusion, using proxies can greatly enhance your privacy and security online. Thanks for following along with our guide.